everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my dreams and goals. I'm going to share with you my goals and dreams. So I'm to tell you when I was studying in when I was studying in 7th standard, I had a dream to become an IAS officer. And I wanted to become an IAS officer because an IAS officer came to our school and gave a speech, and I asked my teacher that what who is he? So she told me that he is an IAS officer. He is an IAS officer. So I asked her what they do. So she told me that an IAS officer is the one of the best government. Becoming an IAS officer is one of the highest exam to crack. You have to prepare for a UPSC and you have to crack the exam, and then you become an IAS officer. So, and she told me that become this is the most and bigger exam. This is the most hardest exam. So, and she tells that an IAS officer has a power to who has a power to control and control logistics. So, and when I heard that, I feel like that when I become IAS officer, I had a power to change my village, my society, my people. But when after completing my schooling and college, after completing my graduation, I started preparing for UPSC. I buy some books, and I buy NCRTs and the books that was important for UPSC. But I found that I need a direction. I need someone who can help me, to in the right direction, so I can prepare for that exam. But I call on online institution and ask them for the preparation. So they told me that fees. They told me about the fees, and fees was too high. And even I wanted to go out and study. I wanted to prepare. I wanted to prepare my for a UPSC from Delhi, but my family didn't allow me. Doesn't allow me. My family didn't allow me to go Delhi. So I quit my dreams. I stopped studying. Even I stopped preparation for any exam. But now I'm working on my dreams, public speaking. Day by day, I am working on my spoken English to become better at communication. When I become better at communication, I will start working on my public speaking. Every day I now take a small step. I decide tiny goals like I do practice tongue twister. I do mouth exercise and I talk with myself in English. I read books and I practice pronunciation. And whatever I study, like I read a book, um, do start doing perfect later. So I read this chapter on the book self-confidence. So in that book, the author told that uh, achieving a goals, long dreams, achieving your dreams and goals, you have to work. Start working on yourself. Don't try to become perfect. No one is perfect. You become better at something while practicing while doing. No one born with perfection. And perfectionism is a very bad for us for you who try to become perfect in everything. No one is perfect. When you try to become perfect, you get frustrated. So that's why I learned that working on yourself, set a tiny goal and work on that. Like I wake up and I practice some tongue twister. I practiced mouth expression so I can speak clearly. So I am working on my spoken English every day. I set a tiny goal that I am practicing 5 to 10 minutes. I talk to myself, I record myself, I practice in the mirror so I can become better at communication. And after I will start working on my public speaking. So right now my only goal is to become a public speaker. My only dream is to become a public speaker and I am focusing on that. And every day I work on my tiny goals like I wake up, I do my exercise every day. I wake up on the time. I work on my health too, and I work on my spoken English. This is the tiny goals that I set and I completed, and I feel proud of myself when I completed my tiny goals. It's make me feel happy and I feel proud on myself when I complete my tiny goals. So, if you have a dream, start working on your dreams step by step, little by little. No one becomes successful in a one day. Everyone to step by step. Everyone take tiny steps to achieve bigger goals, bigger dreams. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you for watching this video.